How about buying a property like this that was purchased just a few years ago for this amount, and now it's worth this much? Making tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars with a single property as passive income can be life-changing. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of real estate investing for financial freedom by using appreciation. Appreciation tops the #1 spot on our list for the top 5 reasons investing in real estate is the best strategy to achieve financial freedom. So why do I love appreciation so much? Because appreciation, when combined with leverage, is what makes real estate investors wealthy. Coming up, we'll see how appreciation works, how to choose your best property, and stay tuned to the end to find out what mistakes to avoid when purchasing your next property. Also, if you like this type of content, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. One of the most significant benefits of owning a property is the potential for the property to grow, for the property to appreciate in value. Simply said, appreciation is an increase in the value of the property. Think of real estate appreciation as being similar to planting a tree. You start with planting your seed. With care and time, it grows into a beautiful, strong, and healthy tree. Similarly, when investing in a property, it may start off with a modest value, but when you buy in a good location and you keep up with the maintenance, after time it can grow in value and become a valuable asset. Yet unlike the tree that stops growing when it's fully mature, the property's appreciation is the gift that keeps on giving because it continues to grow for the long run. Appreciation, though, is a process that requires patience and long-term view, but the rewards can be significant by creating wealth and getting you closer to financial freedom. To make it easier to remember, when a property appreciates, it's the same thing as saying that the property increases in value. Let's use a real-life example that we can find online to see how much a property appreciates. As you can see here, this is the price and the date that the property was purchased. We scroll and we find the property's estimate. We simply take the current value and subtract the purchase price, giving us this amount of appreciation in these amount of years. Now let's say that you bought a property for $100,000 and let's see how it appreciates in 1 year. We're also going to say that it appreciates at 5% a year. So on the first year, you take the initial property value of $100,000 and you simply multiply it by 5%, giving us $5,000. Simply said, your property appreciated, it increased in value by $5,000 in 1 year, raising the new value of your property to $105,000. To help you out and make it easier for you to analyze properties, I created an Excel sheet that you can download for free. Check out the description below to find the link. You can repeat this process for as many years into the future as you plan to hold on to the property. Typically, a 5% return on investment is good all on its own. But if you include the other forms of value like cash flow, tax benefits, and loan paydown, you quickly understand why investing in real estate is so powerful. Stay tuned to the end of this video where you'll see suggestions for other important real estate investing videos on the list. When searching for that perfect property that you want to add to your portfolio that'll appreciate in value, it's important to note the key factors that contribute to real estate appreciation. One is the location of the property. I'm sure you've probably heard this before, but what are the 3 most important things that you're looking for when you're buying a property? Location, location, and location. So, if your property is in a desirable location, such as a popular neighborhood or near good schools, it's likely to increase in value. It's also very important to be in a city that's actually growing in population. And of course, keeping your property in good condition with regular maintenance can help increase its value over time. When you find a property that you like and you put it under contract, don't make the mistake of skipping the property inspection by a professional. There's no perfectly built house out there. It just doesn't exist. Even new houses have issues. So make sure that you get an inspection report of the property to help you avoid costly surprises. Don't make the mistake of not seeing the property in person. This goes for all you out-of-towners as well. The majority of the properties look great online with beautiful pictures and dreamy descriptions, but Guess what? That's called marketing. Those are professionally taken pictures, so from the picture to reality, sometimes it's very different. The majority of the properties that I end up liking online, when I go see them in person, I actually end up disliking, because the house was in much worse condition than what I can tell. And sometimes when I'm actually driving through the neighborhood, I notice that it's actually getting worse instead of getting better. Another red flag to look out for. Real estate is hyper-local, so the pricing and the variables change from neighborhood to neighborhood. So make sure to do your due diligence before you buy. But perhaps the most exciting thing about real estate appreciation is that it grows your net worth passively. With a good property manager, you don't have to do anything special. You just have to hold on to the property and watch it grow. So if you're looking for a long-term investment strategy that can get you closer to financial freedom year after year, real estate appreciation is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and remember that there's always helpful resources in the description below. To learn more about the other benefits of real estate investing and financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video.